Good day. My name is Joel McGibbon. I'm an agricultural pre-employment instructor here in Moncton. If you look behind us, we have our ag truck shop. Good day. Joel McGibbon here, the agriculture instructor at the NBCC Moncton campus. We're down here in the agricultural bay. You can see on my right we have an older Ford tractor that we use in the shop here. We have some transmissions, for example, this John Deere transmission. We have a Kubota engine here that we use. We've got one of several hydraulic boards that we use when we get into our hydraulic practical. And we have a more modern New Holland tractor here that we work with also. Some of the topics we cover start with our basic hand tools, and as the year goes on, we gradually get into more complicated stuff as your skills develop. Here's a quick overview of the ag shop, showing tools and equipment.
Some of the questions that come up for the agricultural program are, first of all, where would be the possibilities of employment? Typically these students would work at dealers. They may work for bigger farms that have a technician on site. Those dealers can range from farm equipment to heavy equipment type of operations. The next question would typically be, what would be the wages? And the wages can vary based on experience, but it could vary anywhere between minimum wage and about $70,000 a year, based on about a 40-hour work week. That would be a fully licensed person that has done all 4 blocks and is licensed. Another question that comes up is work placement. So we typically do a 3-week on-the-job training, and that would be done at a place of your choice. Typically people will go to dealers, and a lot of times they will get hired to work at those places also.